Introduction of medicinal chemistry. What is medicinal chemistry? In medicinal chemistry, the chemists attempt to design and synthesize a medicine or a pharmaceutical agent which will benefit humanity. Such a compound could also be called a drug. Latin are medica, medicina, meaning the art of healing. It involves synthesis, structure activity relationship, that is SAR, receptor interactions, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion, ADME. According to IUPAC, medicinal chemistry it concerns the discovery, the development, identification and interpretation of mode of action of biological active compound at the molecular level. Medicinal chemistry covers the three stages. First, discovery step involving choice of therapeutic target, that is receptor, enzyme and target group, cellular in vivo model, and identification or discovery and production of new active substances interacting with selecting target, such a compound called lead compound. An optimization step which deals with improvement of lead compound. The optimization process takes primarily into account the increase in potency, selectivity and toxicity. Development stage whose purpose is continuation of improvement of pharmacokinetic properties. History of medicinal chemistry. 2000 BC Materia Medica, 250 vegetables drug and 120 mineral drugs. 1500 BC Egyptian Papyrus Albus, 700 drugs originated from animal, plants, minerals. Emperor Friedrich II issued the Magna Carta of Pharmacy in 1240. Synthesis of urea 1828 started organic medicinal chemistry. Erich, a side chain theory and chemotherapy and Fischer's law and key theory, birth of modern medchem 1800. Medicinal chemistry received formal recognition in academic pharmacy in 1932. Objectives of medicinal chemistry. Generally, we can identify the following stage in drug discovery, design and development. Drug discovery, finding a lead. Choose a disease, choose a drug target, identify a bioassay, find a lead compound, isolate and purify lead compound if necessary, determine the structure of lead compound if necessary. Drug design, identify structure activity relationship SARS, identify pharmacophore, improve target interaction, pharmacodynamics, improve pharmacokinetics properties. Drug development, patent the drug, carry out preclinical trials, drug metabolism, toxicology, formulation and stability test, pharmacology studies, etc. Design a manufacturing process, chemical and process development, carry out clinical trials, register and market the drugs, make money. Finally, medicinal chemistry includes synthetic and computational aspect of study of existing drugs and agent in development in relation to their bioactivity, that is understanding of SARS, structure activity relationship or initialization of drug. Introduction to medicinal chemistry. Medicinal chemistry is based to be defined as an interdisciplinary research area incorporating different branches of chemistry and biology in the research for better and new drug discovery. In other words, medicinal chemistry is the science which deals with the discovery and design of new and better therapeutic chemicals and development of these chemicals into new medicines and drugs. make new compounds, determine their effect on biological processes, alter the structure of compound for optimum effect and minimum side effect, study uptake, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drug. Drug classification. Pure organic compounds are the chief source of agent for the cure, mitigations or the prevention of disease. These remedial agents could be classified according to their origin. Natural compound, synthetic compound, semi-synthetic compound. Natural compound include material obtained from both plant and animals. Example, vitamins, hormones, amino acid, antibiotics, alkaloids, glycoside, 1/4, etc. Synthetic compound, either pure synthesis or synthesis naturally occurring compound. Example, morphine, atropine, steroids and cocaine to reduce their cost. Then semi-synthetic compound. Some compounds either cannot be purely synthesized or not be isolated from natural source in low cost. Therefore, natural intermediate of such drug could be used for the synthesis of a desired compounds or products. Example, semi-synthetic penicillins. Drug classification. Since there is no certain relationship between chemical structure and pharmacological activity, therefore it would be unwise to arrange all drugs on the basis of their structure or origin. Thus, it is better to arrange the drug according to their medicinal use. Drug can be classified according to their medicinal use into two main classes. First is pharmacodynamic agent, second is chemotherapeutic agent. The pharmacodynamic agent, drugs that act on the various physiological function of the body. Example, general anesthetic, hypnotics and sedative, analgesic, etc. Then next is chemotherapeutic agent, those drugs which are used to fight pathogenic. Example, sulfonamides, antibiotics, antimalarial agent, antiviral, anticancerous, etc. Drug classification. Drug can treat different types of diseases. First is infectious disease, second is non-infectious disease, third is non-diseases. First is infectious disease borne, transmitted from person to person by outside agent. Bacteria, pneumonia, salmonella, viruses, common cold, AIDS, fungi, thrush, anthrax, foot and parasites, malaria. Then non-infectious disease include disorder of the human body causes by genetic malfunction, environmental factors, stress, old age, etc. Example, diabetes, heart diseases, cancer, hemophilia, asthma, mental illness, stomach ulcer, arthritis. Non-diseases include elevation of pain, that is analgesic, prevention of pregnancy, contraceptions and anesthesia. History of medicinal chemistry. The oldest record of the use of therapeutic plant and minerals are derived from ancient civilization of the Chinese, the Hindus and the miners of Central America and the Mediterranean peoples of antiquity. The Emperor Shen Nung's 2735 BC compiled that what may be called a pharmacopoeia including Qing and Sheng, the antimalarial alkaloids. Quinine is an antimalarial alkaloid derived from the bark of the cinchona tree. It was used by the Mayans to cure malaria. History of medicinal chemistry. The early exposure found that the South American Indians also chewed coca leaf containing cocaine and used mushroom containing methylated terpamine as hallucinogen. In ancient Greek apothecary shops, herbs such as opium, squale and hyoscyamus, viper toxin and metallic drugs such as copper and zinc ores, iron sulfate and cadmium oxide could be found. The Ipecacuanha root containing imetine was used in Brazil for the treatment of dysentery. The ipecacuanha root containing imetin was used in Brazil for the treatment of dysentery. Acetic acid was synthesized by Adolf Kolb in 1845. Methane was synthesized by Pierre Berthelot in 1856, set the stage for organic chemistry. The 19th century, age of innovation and chemistry. The emphasis was shifted from finding new medicaments from the vast world of plant to finding the active ingredients that accounted for their pharmacologic property. The isolation of morphine by Frederick Suttner in 1803, the isolation of imetin from ipecacuanha by Piers Joseph Petliers in 1816, and his purification of caffeine, quinine and colchicine in 1920 all contributed to the increased use of cure substance as a therapeutic agent. The 20th century was the pharmaceutical industry. Diseases of protozoal and spirochetal origin responded to synthetic chemotherapeutic agents. Interest in synthetic chemicals that could inhibit the rapid reproduction of pathogenic bacteria and enable the host organism to cope with invasion bacteria was dramatically increased when the red dye stuff 2,4-diaminobenzene 4-sulfonamide, that is Prontosil, reported by Gerhard Domagch, dramatically cured dangerous systemic gram-positive bacterial infection in man and animal. The 20th century and the pharmaceutical industry, together with the discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1929 and its subsequent examination by Howard Florey and Heinrich Chen in 1941, led to a water-soluble powder of much higher antibacterial potency and lower toxicity than that of previously known synthetic chemotherapeutic agent. With the discovery of a variety highly potent anti-infective agent, a significant change was introduced into medical practice. Physiochemical property in relation to biological action. Definition: the ability of a chemical compound to elicit a pharmacological or therapeutic effect is really related to the influence of various chemical and physical properties of chemical substances on the biomolecule that is interact with. First is physical property. Physical property of drug is responsible for its action. Chemical property: the drug react extracellularly according to simple chemical reactions like neutralization, chelation, oxidation, etc. Various physicochemical properties are solubility, partition coefficient, dissolution constant, hydrogen bonding, ionization of drug, redox potential, complexation, surface activity, protein binding, isosterium. Solubility: the solubility of a substance at a given temperature is defined as the concentration of dissolved solute which is in equilibrium with the solid solute. Solubility depends on nature of solute and solvent as well as temperature, pH and pressure. The solubility of drug may be expressed in terms of its affinity, philicity or repulsion, phobicity, or either an aqueous or organic solvent. The atom and molecules of all organic substances are held together by various types of bond, that is hydrogen bond, dipole-dipole, ionic bond, etc. These forces are involved in solubility because it is the solvent-solute, solvent-solvent, solute-solvent interaction that governs solubility. Methods to improve solubility of drug. Structural modifications alter the structure of molecules. Use of co-solvent, that is ethanol, sorbitol, PEG, PPG. Then exploring employing surfactant than complexation. Importance of solubility. Solubility concept is important to pharmacists because it is govern the preparation of liquid dosage form, and the drug must be in solution before it is absorbed by the body to produce the biological activity. Drug must be in solution form to interact with receptor. Partition coefficient. A partition coefficient is one of the physicochemical parameters which influencing the drug transport and drug distribution, the way in which drug reaches the site of action from the site of application. Partition coefficient is defined as equilibrium constant of drug concentration for unorganized molecule in two phases. For ionized drug, acid, base and salt, partition coefficient affect the drug transfer characteristics. The distribution of each functional group and structural arrangement help to determine the lipophilic and hydrophilic characters of drug molecule. It is widely used in QSAR studies. Factors affecting partition coefficient: pH, co-solvent, surfactant, that is surface active agent, complexation. Partition coefficient are difficult to measure in living system. They are usually determined in vitro. 1-octanol as a lipid phase and phosphate buffer of pH 7.4 as a aqueous phase. 1-octanol as a lipid phase because it has a polar and non-polar region. Then polar and water is easy to measure. PO divided by W often correlate with many biological properties. It can be predicted using computational mode. The partition coefficient P is dimensionless. It is logarithm. Log P is widely used as a measure of lipophilicity. The log P is measured by following methods: Shake-Flax method, chemotherapeutic method, that is HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography. Phenobarbital has a high lipid water partition coefficient of 5.9. Thiopentone sodium has a chloroform water partition coefficient of about 100, so it is highly soluble in lipid. Hence, thiopentanone sodium is used as an ultra short acting barbiturate. What else does log P affect? Log P increases, binding of enzyme receptor increases, aqueous solubility decreases, binding of P4-5 metabolizing enzyme increases, absorbance through membrane increases, binding to blood tissue protein increases. Importance of partition coefficient. It is generally used in combination with pK, that is dissociation constant of acid, to predict the distribution of drug in biological system. The factors such as absorption, excretion and penetration of CNS may be related to the log P value of drug. The drug should be designed with lowest possible log P to reduce toxicity, non-specific binding and bioavailability. Hydrogen bond. The hydrogen bond is a special dipole-dipole interaction between the hydrogen atom in the polar bond such as NH, OH, FH and electronegative atom O and F atom. Dipoles result from unequal sharing of electron between atoms within a covalent bond. These are weak bond and denoted as dotted line, that is OH dotted O, NH H dotted O. The compound that are capable of forming hydrogen bonding is only soluble in water. Hydrogen bonding is classified into two types: intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It is occur between two or more than two molecules of the same or different compound. Due to this, increase the boiling point of compound and increase the molecular weight of compound. Hence, more energy is required to dissociate the molecular for vaporization. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding occur within two atoms of the same molecule. This type of bonding is known as chelation and frequently occur in organic compound. Sometimes hydrogen bond develops 6 or 5 member rings due to decrease the boiling point. Example is salicylic acid, orthonitrophenol. Hydrogen bonding and biological action. Example, antipyrine, that is 1-phenyl 2,3-dimethyl 5-pyrazolone has analgesic activity and 1-phenyl 3-methyl 5-pyrazolone is inactive because of hydrogen bonding. Salicylic acid, that is orthohydroxybenzoic acid, has antibacterial activity and para and meta-hydroxybenzoic acid are inactive. Effect of hydrogen bonding. All physical properties affected by hydrogen bonding, that is boiling and melting point, water solubility, strength of acid, spectroscopic properties, on surface tension and viscosity, biological product, drug receptor interaction. Chelation and complexation. Next, physicochemical properties. Complex of drug molecules can't cross natural membrane barrier. They render the drug biological ineffectivity. The rate of absorption is proportional to the concentration of free drug molecules, that is the diffusion of drug. Due to reversibility of complexation, equilibrium between free drug and drug complex. Drug plus complexing agent gives drug complex. Complexation reduces the rate of absorption of drug but not affect the availability of drug. Importance of chelates in medicine. First, antidote for metal poisoning. Dimercaprol is a chelating agent. Then penicillin is chelating agent. It will form chelate. 8-hydroxyquinoline and its analog act as an antibacterial and antifungal agent by complexing with iron or copper. Undesirable side effect caused by drug which chelates with metal. A side effect of hydrolysis, a antihypertensive drug, is formation of anemia and it's due to chelation of drug with iron. Phenobarbital form non-absorbable complex with polyethylene glycol 4000. Calcium with EDTA form complex which is increase the permeability of membrane. Ionization of drug. Most of the drugs are either weak acid or weak base, can exist in either ionized or unionized state. Ionization is equal to protonation or deprotonation resulting in charged molecule. Ionization of drug depends on its pK and pH. The rate of drug absorption is directly proportional to the concentration of drug at absorbable form but not be concentration of drug at the absorption site. Ionization form impart good water solubility to the drug which is required for binding of drug and receptor interaction. Ionization form help the drug to cross the cell membrane. Example, barbituric acid is inactive because it is strong acid, while 5,5-disubstituted barbituric acid has CNS depressant action because it is weak acid. Unionized drug plus water gives conjugate acid and conjugate base. Ionized drug plus water gives conjugate acid and conjugate base. So according to Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acid, pH minus pK is equal to log in bracket ionized divided by unionized form. Bracket complete. For base, pH minus pK is equal to log unionized divided by ionized. So percent of ionization is calculated by given formula. When an acid or base is 50% ionized, pH is equal to pKa. For example, solution of weak acid aspirin in stomach pH 1 will get readily absorbed because it in the unionized form, that is 99%. Example, phenytoin injection must be adjusted to pH 12 with sodium hydroxide to obtain 99.98% of drug in ionized form. Tropicamide eye drop, an anticholinergic drug, has pKa of 5.2 and the drug has to be buffered to pH 4 to obtain more than 90% ionization. So, importance of ionization of drug: weak acid at acid pH, more lipid soluble because it is uncharged, and uncharged form more readily pass through the biological membrane, that is RCOO plus H plus ion gives carboxylic acid. Weak base at alkaline pH, more lipid soluble because it is uncharged. The uncharged form more readily pass through biological membrane. Redox potential. The oxidation reduction potential may be defined as quantitative expression of tendency that a compound has to give or receive electron. The correction between redox potential and the biological activity can only be drawn for the compound of very similar structure and properties. The redox potential of a system may be calculated from the following equation. Example, riboflavin analogs. The biological activity of riboflavin is due to E is equal to minus 0.185 volt. Riboflavin E0 is equal to, that is redox potential is minus 0.185 volt, and riboflavin analog having redox potential is equal to minus 0.095 volt. The optimum biostatic activity in quinones is associated with redox potential at plus 0.03 volt when tested against Staphylococcus aureus. Surface activity. Surfactant is defined as the material that can reduce the surface tension of water at very low concentration. Surface active agent affect the drug absorption, which depends on: first is chemical nature of surfactant, second is its concentration, third is its effect on biological membrane and the micelle formation. In lower concentration of surfactant enhance the rate of absorption because amphiphiles reduce surface tension and better absorption. In higher concentration of surfactant reduces the rate of absorption. Application: the antihelminthic activity of hexyl racesinol, bactericidal activity of cationic quaternary ammonium compound, bactericidal activity of aliphatic alcohol, disinfectant action of phenol and cresol, bile salt solution of approximately physiological concentration greatly enhance the dissolution rate of poorly water soluble drug like griseofulvin, hexasterol by micellar solubilization effect. Protein binding. The reversible binding of protein with non-specific and non-functional site on the body protein without showing any biological effect is called protein binding. Protein plus drug gives protein binding complex. Depending on the whether the drug is weak or strong acid, base or is neutral, it can bind a single blood protein to multi-protein, that is serum albumin, acid glycoprotein or lipoprotein. The most significant protein involved in the binding of drug is albumin, which comprises more than half of blood protein. Protein binding values are normally given as the percentage of total plasma concentration of drug that is bound to all plasma protein. Free drug plus free protein gives drug or protein complex. Total plasma concentration is calculated by given formula, that is total plasma concentration dt is equal to df, that is free drug, plus dp, that is free protein. Stereochemistry of drug. Stereochemistry involves the study of three-dimensional nature of molecule. It is study of chiral molecules. So, stereochemistry play a major role in pharmacological properties because any change in stereospecificity of drug will affect its pharmacological activity. Next, the isomeric pair have different physical properties, that is log P or dissociation constant of acid, etc. Thus differ in pharmacological activity. The isomer which have same blood bond connectivity but different arrangement of group or atom in the space are termed stereoisomer. Conformational isomer. Different arrangement of atom that can be converted into one another by rotation about single bond are called conformation. Rotation about bond allow interconversion of conformer. Classical example of is of acetylcholine which can exist in different conformation, that is staggered conformation, clipped conformation, gauge conformation and fully clipped conformation. So 2-aceto-hexyl cyclopropyl trimethyl ammonium iodide. Optical isomer. Stereochemistry, enantiomer, symmetry and chirality are important concepts in therapeutic and toxic effect of drug. A chiral compound containing one asymmetric center has two enantiomers. Although each enantiomer has identical chemical and physical properties, they may have different physiological activity like interaction with receptor, metabolism and protein binding. A optical isomer in biological action is due to one enantiomer being able to achieve a 3-point attachment with its receptor molecule, while its enantiomer could only be able to achieve a 2-pair attachment, that is 2-point attachment with the same molecule. Here is the example of enantiomer. First one is levorotatory adrenaline, second is dextrorotatory adrenaline. Levorotatory stands for negative or symbolized by negative, and positive shows dextrorotatory adrenaline. Next example, ephedrine and pseudoephedrine. In ephedrine is erythro structure and pseudoephedrine in thrio structure. So ephedrine having melting point 37 to 39, 1 gram plus 20 ml, and pseudoephedrine melting point 118 to 120, 1 gram per 200 ml. The category of drug where two isomers have qualitatively similar pharmacological activity but have different quantitative potencies. First one is negative warfarin, second one is positive warfarin. So S stands for sinister, R stands for rectus. Geometric isomerism. Geometric isomerism is represented by cis-trans isomer resulting from restricted rotation due to the carbon-carbon double bond in a or in rigid ring system. First structure represent trans diethyl stilbestrol estrogenic activity, and second represents cis diethyl stilbestrol only 7% activity of the trans isomer. Isosterium. Longmuir introduced the term isosterium in 1919, which postulated that two molecules or molecular fragments containing an identical number and arrangement of electrons should have similar properties and termed as isosteral. Isosteral should be isoelectric, that is, they should possess same total charge. Bioisosterium is defined as compound or group that possesses near or equal molecular shape and volume, approximately the same distribution of electrons, which exhibit similar physical properties. They are classified into two types. First one is classical bioisosterum, second is non-classical bioisosterum. Classical bioisosters. They have similar of shape and electric configuration of atom, groups and molecules which they replace. The classical bioisotope may be univalent atom or group, that is calcium, bromine, iodine, CH3, NH2OH, SH. Bivalent atom and group ROR, RNH, R, RSR, RCH and R, and CONHR, COOR, CORS. Application of classical bioisotope in the drug design. Replacement of NH2 group by CH3 group, that is carbutamide and tolbutamide. Carbutamide having R is equal to NH2 and tolbutamide R is equal to NH3. Then next one is replacement of OH and SH. Non-classical bioisotopes. They do not obey the steric and electronic definition of classical isotopes. Non-classical bioisotopes are functional groups with dissimilar valence, electron configuration, specific characteristics, electronic properties, physicochemical properties of molecule, spectral arrangement, functional moiety for biological activity. Halogens, then ethers, carbonyl groups, then hydroxyl groups, then catechol. Classical example of ring versus non-cyclic structure is diethyl stilbestrol and 1,7-beta osteostradiol, trans-diethyl stilbestrol and 17-beta osteostradiol. Thank you.